Honey, I'm going to turn your head just a little bit. There you go. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, now you turn. Hi. You're in a very good mood this morning. It's October 15th, 2011. It's actually Aunt Erica's birthday. So maybe we'll find a way to send this to Erica for her birthday as a gift. I'm sure she'd like it. You're going to see her tomorrow with Grandma and Grandpa. They're going to come over and have dinner. Mostly to see you, as well as, of course, to celebrate Erica's birthday. But I think you get a lot more fun now, right? Kind of cool. Yeah, get exciting. Okay, so. You tired? I think you slept a lot last night, though. I know I did for the first time in a while. Okay, so. What are we going to tell Erica for her birthday? Can you say happy birthday yet? 2 months old? Do you think you can pull it off? Happy birthday. Good boy. Happy birthday, Erica.